Hello friends, so in this video tutorial of Power BI we will learn about key filters in Power BI DAX, how we can use them. Suppose like we have some table here, so we will create a matrix, and in this matrix we have a sales. First of all we will take our segments, so we have a segment, and beside that we also have a sales. And if we want to find out the sales of corporate segment, so how we can find out? So we will go to new measure and create a new measure. So it will take some time, and here we will write sales corporate equal to calculate. We will put this formula calculate here, and then we will give sum. Our order sales, first of all we will order sales should be added, then we will close this, and then after that I will give our order segment, because we have to find out segment wise our sale. Order segment is our corporate, so we will want to find out the sales of corporate is equal to, I will just put corporate here and just close this and enter. So there is some problem, we have to check where is the problem. Here segment is equal to corporate, we have to close this from here also, we haven't closed this. Now it's okay. So we have a new measure which is sales corporation. If you will put here, if you will drag this and put in our matrix, so we will get in each and every column. So but we only need it in corporate. So for that what we can do, we can use a filter here. So I will go there and I will type filter. So I will make this name filter, and here I will click over there and type key filter. So we have to put key filter with this segment option, and then I will right click over this. Now you will see, so it will change. So we only have a corporate filter here, so we have only sales in sales corporate. So this is the way we can create this table. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much.